I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want...
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today I'm finally decorating for Christmas. I'm actually filming this intro after I've already decorated my living room, and I am just loving how it turned out, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Whitney and I do a lot of motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning, all that good stuff here on my channel, and I would love it if you guys would subscribe and join my family. We are doing Vlogmas, so make sure you guys turn on the little notification bell so you guys don't miss that. You guys will probably hear my baby girl in the background. I apologize. Mom life, that's just what we gotta do, right? Anyways, I'm so excited to show you guys my living room. I'm seriously obsessed with how it turned out. So if you guys want to see how I decorate for Christmas, just keep watching because I'm gonna pop right on into the video. Alright you guys, so this is the before. I already took down all of our previous decor that we had up here, and this mirror I actually got from Hobby Lobby, and I added like a little tack there because I think I'm gonna hang a wreath. And then this is the majority of the things that I think I'm gonna use over here. I'm not entirely sure. We'll see where the day takes us. So this is one of my favorite spots to decorate for the holidays, and believe it or not, this is actually a desk that I've had since high school, but we've kind of just transformed it into an entryway table for the time being. We do plan on getting a real entryway table, but we're kind of just making it work how it is right now, and I'm just loving it. Comment down below and tell me what your guys' favorite room or thing to decorate for Christmas is. Mine would have to be this entryway table. I just love decorating it. So I'm just taking some old pine cones that I actually collected at my aunt's house and some old ornaments that we aren't using on our tree anymore, and I'm filling this little sleigh, and I think it just looks really cute and just adds like a nice little pop of color.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holidays will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
Ignore the song in the background, but this looks so cute, you guys. I love how it turned out. It turned out a lot better than I thought it would. I was kind of going for like an all white with a pop of red, but I'm really loving like the green intertwined. I think it really makes Christmas. Moving on to my TV stand, since we don't have a fireplace, I wanted something to hang our stockings off of, and I didn't want to hang them off of the banister of the stairs, so I decided to kind of transform our TV stand into a mantle. So I just put the little greenery on there, and then I added the stockings as well.
Smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe.
Oh, it looks so pretty, you guys. I love it. I'm just loving Christmas so far. And then the last thing that I'm going to decorate in this video is our ladder shelf. And I also love decorating this a lot. I have a lot of fun putting different things on there. And most of the stuff that you guys are going to see are farmhouse style, which is kind of how my house is. But yeah, I just absolutely love this ladder shelf.
Yeah, I just want to hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on